My name's Kelvin Pritchard. I'm the Technical Solutions Director for Cisilion, and in that role I get to see a whole range of different organisations, both commercial and public sector, and it's amazing how many times the same issues come up time and time again. I'll give you an example. You've got a board that wants to go and relocate, either reduce costs or improve efficiencies. They involve their business heads to go and find locations, start changing logos, organising furniture, and almost the last thing they do is go and talk to the IT department. The IT department therefore has to run around, can't do anything strategic, it must be done and that type of thing. Very rarely is done therefore on time, costs far more money than it should do, and it's seen as a failed IT project, not a successful business project. Business transformation is about how to break that cycle.
What do we mean when we're talking about business transformation? Well, what we're aiming to do is to provide a technology roadmap which aligns to business strategy. So by way of an example, the business decision may be to deploy flexible working to your employees and to enable them to get closer to their customers. But how do you maintain the communication? Well, video conferencing could be a solution to that. However, there's all these technologies available, and how do we put that together and ensure that we deliver against the business objective? So in the case of video conferencing, the first thing we might need to look at is the network infrastructure. So is there enough bandwidth on the network to deliver the video? The second thing we may need to think about is a telephony upgrade, as voice and video are often closely interlinked. So that may form the second part of the roadmap. And then finally, we can actually get to deploying the video conferencing, and then that forms the final part. And once we've got the technology in place, what we're able to do as each of those projects is deployed is able to map that back to the original business objective and to show improvement along the roadmap.
I would recommend that other companies consider using the transformative networking process. For us, it allowed us to stand back as an IT department, get the business input in a structured way into that process to actually understand what the strategic plans were, and actually reinforce the need for us to turn our network from being a tactical asset, delivering data point to point, into being a strategic asset, underpinning the delivery of the services that our business gives to our customers.
We have worked closely with Cisilion, and I'd heartily recommend them because what I see from Cisilion is a real sense of ownership. You know, they really will follow through until they deliver. But secondly, what I see is they are faithful to business transformation. It's easy to talk about business transformation, it's much harder to really deliver it. And it takes an approach that's focused on, not just focusing on what you can sell, and I think that's the key thing, is focusing on understanding what a customer needs.
Business transformation is at the heart of what Cisilion is about. It's a process which is totally vendor independent and results in solutions of real business value. Technology is changing very rapidly. The combination of solutions available to all organisations is immense. We really do believe that business transformation is the way forward to identify which is the right path for your organisation.